Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to set an alarm for yourself on the iPhone. So you want to make sure you go to the clock app, which is right here. And if you can't find it, you can just scroll down and type in clock and it'll pop up. And now what we can do is go to where it says alarm. And as you can see, I've set a lot of alarms for myself. But to add a new alarm on the top right corner where it says where you see the plus sign, we press on that and now we can add an alarm. So let's say I want to add an alarm for 4:30 p.m. And then do I want it to repeat? I can make it repeat at any given day of the week. I can label the alarm and give it a name, and I can change the sound. So I actually have some music that I downloaded that I can use music as my alarm, or I can use any of these ringtones. So I'll go back and I can click the snooze or unclick the snooze as seen right here. Now all I have to do to set this alarm is click on save at the top right corner, and now I have a saved alarm at 4:30 p.m. So guys, that's how you add an alarm. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.